In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to TikTok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect, so the process feels smooth and straightforward. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. It's a good idea to make sure you're on the latest version so all the payment options appear correctly. From the home screen, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three-line menu in the top right. Tap that, then choose the option labeled Balance. After you tap Balance, TikTok will redirect you to TikTok Studio. This is where you can see your monetization details and your current balance. To connect PayPal from here, you'll use the coin purchase flow, find the coin section, tap it, and select how many coins you want to buy. Take a second to double check the package you select, and when you're ready, tap Continue. You'll now be asked to choose a payment method. Select Other Payment Methods, and then choose PayPal. Enter your PayPal email address carefully. TikTok will send a verification code to that email or to the phone number associated with your account. Make sure you have access to whichever inbox or device is linked, then enter the code to confirm. Once you do, TikTok will process your payment using PayPal, and your PayPal account will be connected for future transactions through the coin system. If your account is monetized, there's another way to link PayPal. You can first add a debit card or bank account and then connect that to your PayPal account. This path is useful if you're managing earnings and payouts through TikTok Studio. Just remember, the goal is the same, establishing PayPal as a verified method tied to your TikTok financial activity. A couple of quick tips to keep things seamless. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during the process and have your email or phone nearby for the verification code. If you don't see the PayPal option, it may be due to availability in your region or an app version that needs updating. So, updating the app usually helps. That's how you connect PayPal to TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials. If you want, I can also convert this into step-by-step bullet instructions or a shorter voiceover version suitable for Reels or TikTok videos.